Mibileta Vlogs, naggisa ako ng bawang sibuyas kamatis sa corned beef. Nilagyan ng half cup ng water, seasoning ng ginisa mix sa paminta, at ito ilalagay ko ng ginayat na pechay at sayote. Ayan guys, maluluto ng aking ginisang sayote na may pechay sa corned beef. Ready for eating. Partner with hot rice. Thanks for viewing Mami Violeta Vlogs. Please like, comment down below, at please share. Bye!